Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. If you're a new viewer, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Keep watching to see how to make these two versions of this simple and versatile card. Shown and listed here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. I've linked everything below that I specifically used, and of course, as always, an easy way to customize this design or change it up depending on your recipient would be to simply change the pen colors used. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Then, once you have everything drawn out in pencil, take your primary color that you're going to use for the background and simply outline the shape. If you want super straight lines, you should use a ruler. However, I just free-handed it in as I was okay with not having perfectly straight lines for the outline. Once you have outlined the outer shape or perimeter of the design, go in and outline the tree. Once the tree is outlined, all you need to do is go in and color in the background, essentially leaving the tree white. The final step of this card is to color in the bird. Switch over to your second color, whichever one that you're using. Here I'm using a blue color, and simply color it in. Once you've done that, you could leave the card just like this for a simple non-sparkly or non-rhinestone version. However, to create the second version, all you need to do is simply add a rhinestone to the body of the bird. I had a light blue rhinestone that I added. However, you could really add whatever color rhinestone you have. And once you have the placement, simply just take some fast drying glue and glue the rhinestone on. And once the glue is dry, this second version with rhinestone detail is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for two different versions of this simple and versatile card.